Hello and welcome back to Kalispell Volkswagen. Today we're going to go over how to check to make sure you guys have enough coolant in your vehicles. Coolant is extremely important in the vehicles, A, to keep them under temperature and keep the temperature regulated to avoid overheating. Also, it is what helps the heater core create heat inside the vehicle so that your heater and defrost work properly. All of Volkswagens and Audis all use the same coolant, which is G12 Evo. Have some right here, also known as the pink stuff. On Volkswagens, they have a very small threshold, whereas some vehicles, your minimum mark is way down here, the full mark is way up here. Volkswagens have a very smaller line, so you just want to take a look right here on the side of the container, the reservoir, and you will see the minimum mark and the full mark. To fill it up is quite easy. Just turn the cap, it'll click. Once you release it, regular coolant cap, you pour your coolant right in there. I will say that it is very important you do not take the cap off if the vehicle is hot or warm. You do have potential of that boiling over and causing severe burns. So make sure your vehicle is completely cold, at cold temperature. Go ahead and relieve the cap, fill it up to the full mark, and then when it goes back down, just screw the cap on like normal. Make sure that when it gets all the way down, you'll have that final one where it'll click. Once it clicks, you know it's completely all the way down. If not, you can cause a check engine light to come on and or the vehicle to run a little off. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local service advisors at Kalispell Volkswagen and we'll be glad to help you out and top you off.